Got a new AirPod but unsure how to connect it to your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Connecting AirPods for the first time can be tricky, but I'm here to walk you through it step by step. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Make sure your iPhone is ready. Unlock your iPhone and turn on Bluetooth. To do this, go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and turn this to the on position. Step 2. Open the AirPods case. Open the lid of the charging case. A pairing pop-up should now open up in your iPhone screen. If it doesn't show up, then close the lid and open it again. Step 3. Pair the AirPod. So once the pairing pop-up shows up, tap Connect. Now your iPhone will tell you to double tap the front part of your AirPods charging case. So do that and your iPhone will connect. After that, you will get a few prompts like connect to Siri or controlling your AirPods by moving your head. So follow the next steps to enable them according to your preference and hit done. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your AirPods with your iPhone. Now you can just pull out your AirPods and enjoy them whenever you like. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips like this. See you in the next one.